Here is how to delete your Telegram account. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video I'll show you how you can delete your Telegram account. So let's start. First of all, open the Telegram app and log into your account. Then after, tap on the three lines on the top left side. After that, go to settings. After you open settings, when you go to privacy and security, you can select the option for auto deleting your account. For example, if you select 1 month, then your account will be automatically deleted if you remain away from Telegram for 1 month. But if you want to delete your account at the current time, what you can do is go back, then after scroll below and select Telegram FAQ. Keep on scrolling below, you will find this delete your account option under your account section. Tap on it. It will lead you to a screen like this. Under how do I delete my account section, you will get this deactivation page link. Tap on it. Select the browser of your choice. It will take you to a page like this where you will have to enter your number and sign into your account in order to delete your account. Simply enter your phone number and tap on next. After you enter your phone number, it will send a code to your Telegram account. Enter that code and tap on sign in and your account will be deleted. So in this way you can easily delete your Telegram account. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.